Hello, my dear students. Missing your school? Missing your teacher? So, here I am to make you revise and to teach you. Yeah, I have already know that you have learned capital letter and small letter and also alphabet picture reading. But have you revised phonic sound or sounds of alphabet? So today I am here to teach you sounds of alphabet. But before starting it, I want to say stay home and stay safe. So let me begin with sound of alphabet or phonic sound with their words. A, apple. B, bat. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fan. G, goat. H, hat. I, inkpot. J, jug. K, kite. L, lion. M, mango. N, nest. O, orange. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, snake. T, train. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, X-ray. Y, yak. Z, zebra.